Hey folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my 2004 GMC Envoy. This is going to be a short video, but I wanted to respond to a couple comments that I had on my P0171 video related to the fuel pump change that I had to do. Had a couple great comments related to the fuel trim diagnostics that I was showing, and I was using my Bluetooth OBD2 scan tool to check those things, and the comments were along the lines of the long-term fuel trim levels, and the video was showing that the long-term fuel trim levels were up around, I forget what it was, maybe in the teens or something like that, and the comments were, you know, the fuel trim should have been down around 0. And I think the reality was the fuel trim, and I shot that video obviously shortly after I replaced that fuel pump. So my personal opinion is I don't think that that fuel trim, in particular the long-term fuel trim, had a chance to stabilize. So I'm in the car right now. I've got the Bluetooth hooked up, the scan tool hooked up, and I wanted to show you guys what the long-term fuel trim is actually looking like. Now we are, oh gosh, I don't know, a month or so out from that fuel pump replacement, so it has certainly had enough time to stabilize. So let me flip you guys around and show you what this long term looks like. All right guys, here we are just sitting in the driveway. This is idling, and as you can see, the long term is sitting right at negative 0.78, and that short term is kind of bouncing around right around 0 to +5, maybe a little in the negative, which from my research is exactly where it wants to be. So that's just a quick follow-up to the previous video I did on the P0171 trouble code and the fuel trim levels. I appreciate your guys' comments. It gives me something to follow up on. And if you got any more comments or questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments section below. As you guys know, I answer the comments to the best of my ability. That's going to do it for this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.